Okay, we're vlogging us going back home. And let's go out. We finished all of our eating and gossip. Now we're going back home. Next tree came and covered it up, guys. Sorry. Wow. What a life. We should have actually vlogged this. We didn't do that. Vlogged this. But we didn't, guys. Okay, we're vlogging us going back home. We've booked the cab, guys. On our way home.
Clean the house.
No! I have to pack my bags to leave. Guys, it is such a very uncomfortable moment, guys. Then, yeah, no, 3759, guys. We had some good gossip sessions today. We like chatted a lot. And let's go out. And my skirt looks very pretty. It's not mine. It's my sister's. I stole it from her, guys. We finished all of our eating and gossip. Now we're going back home.
This is the first person I've seen who vlogs at the end of the day. Like all of what happens and then she vlogs.
Yeah, so that's how it is. Like your experiences are shared at the end of the day. Yeah. So windy, so many pictures we took, so many cute reels we made. We only made one. We just made a lot of retakes with it. So yeah. The weather is beautiful, guys. I also didn't vlog the Kerala vlog.
Hello.
Why am I not posting this?
I love you. We love you too. Anna.
Wow. What a life.
Mama, ഞാനത് ഓർത്തതാ പിന്നെ കാശ് കൊടുത്ത് മേലെ പോയി.
Oopsies. Random people walking on the door. On the door? The
No, didn't കോളേജിലല്ലോ
Indian parents things. हम बच्चों को बाहर भेजने के बाद कलेश होना ही है. ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता कि we go out in peace thinking like, oh, it's okay if we just forgot to pass a call. You can call us and be like, did you reach? Nah, you're supposed to call us and let us know. If you didn't, you are a criminal. So then the next 1 week or not next 1 week, for the next decade or so, it will always be reminded to you. Huh?
grounded bitch wala.
What grounded? Yeah, like
Next time you go out, you wanna go out, they'll be like, no, please don't stay at home only. Yeah, that day you didn't
Last
do,
time you didn't
that,
do, no?
so you don't go.
and even if you go, she'll like taunt you, be like, yeah, you can go. Anyways, you're not gonna ping me, you're not gonna call me, tell me that you went home.
Horrible. Even today, she answered my call and I was like, Amma, I'm gonna leave. She said, oh, I thought you just reached right now.
Sarcasm, guys, sarcasm. Indian household. Brown girl shit, brown girl.
The last threaten is, Papa will shout at you. Come home. Bro.
Okay, thanks. Very happily I will come home. My mood, which I was very happy in, is all gone after that
I'm
call.
used to this.
Yeah, that is what. Later on we get used to it, but initially and all when it happens, like I very well remember, I will go out and then my mom will be like, she will tell me reach by 10 o'clock, let's say. Oh wait, that is unacceptable timing. Let's say about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, okay. And for some reason, if I delay by another 5-10 minutes, for some miscellaneous reason, kadam, then gone only. She will not call, but you enter home to see your mom with a look like,
Bro, when
Like this.
Amma goes
Like
out and she comes back home and I do something stupid, she'll get mad. Yeah, you spoiled my mood. If we come out, we go out, that time only she'll be scolding us. Imagine our mood, and when we come back home, then also our mood she's spoiling. What if we go and tell Ma, you spoiled our mood? Oh yeah, everything is my only fault. No, my fault only. I'm not telling you.
and imagine for, like, let's say I put all of course I'll put this in the vlog, means if I make, then you imagine the kalesh that is going to happen in both our houses.
After seeing this vlog.
Khatam, then no, kalesh first will not happen with us, okay? First kalesh, they will discuss. My mom will call my aunt and they will be like,
mother.
yes, yeah, her mother, and they will be like, "Ha, makkalku kappannum veliyilla namakku." And then my mother, yeah, absolutely. Video kai vittu poi pillarku veldaile big girls they will. Then this whole typical motherly conversations will begin, and then that will come to us. Then it will come to us. So yeah. But I have a very strong feeling when we become parents, so we're going to do the same shit. Bro, yeah, Anubhav vibe, man. We went through all that. You should also go. Generational trauma, what? For us only we should have. You will also get it. Fuck you.
I'll be like, go, please get out of the house. I'll be like, give me some space.
No, I will give them. First 10 years of trauma I will give them. Then once they turn maybe 15, 16, then...
No, till 10 years will be very power. After 10 years, we're going to hit them when they hit the teenager. Like,
Bro, Hitler. Okay, there is a cafe called Design Cafe. You might think that's a cafe. It is not. There. I will take. The trees will go, means it will come. That pacha color, guys, you see that green, teal green color. Guys, Anna not going in front. Anna go front, Anna. Sorry. In Bangalore, you know, we do like this only. They want to. See. Gone. Next tree came and covered it up, guys. Sorry. That is a cafe, but that is no cafe. That is interior design shop where you get sofa, dining table, all that. Oh wow, my picture look. Guys, I think I know. I think the color of the ear is like baby blue, and I think the color of me is also baby blue because I look very good in baby blue. So now my wardrobe is gonna fill with baby blue and whites, but I don't have money to buy it. What to do? Random rant session, guys. Bakchode. Guys, I will tell you one story, okay? Once upon a time, only...
she's lagging. Yeah, once upon a time.
I just saw that girl, she's very pretty. I'm not gay, guys. But I only saw her eyes. How do I know? How do guys, I'm not being anti-Muslim and all, but how do guys know that a girl is beautiful just by looking at her eyes in a burqa? And they're beautiful also. Skills, no?
Because every girl is beautiful.
Yeah. Next level shit only, guys. So guys, we'll tell you one story, okay? We were in the cafe. There were two couples, okay? Two couples, probably from Kerala only. And there's this one guy who's full on terrifying us. Full on, not us. Like I would like to consider it me, but it was my sister. Unfortunately, pata nahi kya dekha, but unfortunately it's my sister. And he has a girl next to him. So
His girl.
yeah, his girl next to him, and this guy is full on terrifying this woman, that woman. What will I do? Sitting there is bejati for me only. But anyways, so this happens. And then nothing. Then I'm like, pavam that girl. Pavam women like these who have men like these with them, who don't understand that their inboxes are filled with DMs to other girls. Go check. I'm telling you, this weekend, all the girls who are with their boyfriends, check their DMs. See if they're loyal to you. कहीं ना कहीं तो होगा कुछ ना कुछ. Be aware. No. Imagine the guts I have, guys. That I am roaming in Coimbatore with my cousin sister and my wasted or adopted shit.
You should say something like that.
Okay. I wish in next janam at least this is swapped and I get this woman in my life because such a sweetheart she is. Oh my god. She paid for the bill, guys, today. She paid for the bill, that's why. But such a sweetheart.
Wow.
That one waste fellow, one chappal also she can't remove and give for me. Wow, what she will do in life? Yeah, one chappal I took out for her, okay guys, while today leaving.
Oh my god.
And then she expects me to put it back also. I put it out for her. She should put it back, no? Nah? She will be like, मुझे क्यों चला रही हो? तुम्हारी.
If you do that to her, she'll put that chappal on your face and go.
No. That's not true. You're being so mean to her.
Oh my god, you give so much gali to her in real life and you're acting like you're so innocent.
No, I'm not putting all of this in the vlog, guys. See, situation wise, I'm marno. Okay, wow. Oh my god, I've spoken like 3 languages. Oh, no, 4 languages already.
I hope I'm a single child next janam.
Yeah, and then all the torture you get at home, who will you go and tell to?
It's fine, I will keep it to myself. I've been doing that only.
Oh, man, I look so pretty. Like, oh my god, so obsessed with myself.
Like a dumpster.
Shut up.
You're talking to them as if they're your boyfriend.
No, they're my vlog. They're my people. 196 subscribers.
What?
What? I have 196 subscribers.
96 sir.
196. Do you even have one?
I don't have YouTube.
That is the problem. No, you have YouTube with that Kavida.
Huh?
Kavida which you sang, no? When you were like
How
in
much is there?
3rd grade or something. 4,000 views only. I have
For 1,000 views.
after 10 years.
So?
After 10 years,
As if yours is not.
anybody will have.
So, you
Bro.
started your YouTube in 2016 or something.
And then I disgusted it. I mean, I deactivated it. Deactivated it. Deactivated it. Shut up. Deactivated it.
Shut up.
Like, I didn't
You
deactivate it.
deactivated
I
You
stopped
didn't use
posting it in it. Yeah. Thanks to COVID, I started it. But pollution? Something happened? Did something happen? Oh my god. Bro. I'm going tomorrow. I can't. I'm already missing these people.
Oh my god.
Our uncle will be like, shut up and get out as soon as possible. He will drop us very quickly. You know. അയ്യോ ഞാൻ മുകളിൽ നിന്ന് കാറ്റ് വരും കാറ്റ് വന്ന സ്കേർട്ട് പറക്കും സ്കേർട്ട് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എല്ലാവർക്കും എല്ലാം കാണാൻ പറ്റും ഷെയിം ഷെയിം അപ്പം ഷെയിം I think I'm going to change my shampoo, guys. I'm enjoying the shampoo.